Hello student. Today we are going to learn how to find solution of differential equation in variable separation method. Before we'll discuss about differential equation. Differential equation is the relation between function and its derivative of different order. Function usually represent the physical quantity while as derivative rate represent rate of change. The derivative in differential equation can be represented in number of ways like e square y by dx square bracket cube plus dy by dx minus 3 sin x is equal to 0, y triple dash plus y double dash minus y is equal to x. Here y triple dash is nothing but y by dx cube, y double dash nothing but d square y by dx square, d cube minus 3d square plus d minus 1 into y is, or simply 3y2 plus y1 minus 4y is equal to 2x plus 1. Here y2 is nothing but y by dx square, y1 dy. Now we'll see how to find order and degree of the differential equation. Find order and degree, we'll take one example. Now this is the differential equation. To find order of the differential equation, find out highest order derivative term in the differential equation. Here highest order derivative is 3. Therefore 3 is the order of the differential equation. Now to find degree of the differential equation, it is quite simple. Find out the index of highest order derivative or the power of highest order derivative is nothing but degree of the differential. Whether it is smaller than other power, then also it is degree of the differential. Here 5 is the bigger than 3. 5 is not degree of the differential equation. 3 is the degree of the differential because it is power of higher order derivative. Find degree and order of the differential equation. We have to remember that degree and order of the differential are positive here. If the derivative is at denominator or under root or in the fractional power, firstly simplify it, then find its order and degree. For example, cube root of 1 plus dy by dx bracket square is equal to y by dx square. We will make cube on both sides. Therefore, we will get 1 plus dy by dx bracket square is equal to d square y by dx square bracket cube. Highest order derivative is dy by dx2. Therefore, 2 is the order of the difference and index of power of the highest order derivative 3. Therefore, degree of the differential 3. We will see formation of differential equation. Y is equal of x y a b is a family of curve, whereas a and b are arbitrary constant. We have y is equal to a cos x plus 3. D and a are both constant. The value 3 is fixed constant and a is not fixed value. Therefore, a is called as arbitrary. Find the differential equation of this family of curve. We have to remove this arbitrary constant. Number of arbitrary constant present in the equation represent the order of the differential equation. Here y is equal to a cos x plus 3. We have to remove this arbitrary constant. Therefore, differentiating it with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to minus a sin x plus 3. So, this arbitrary constant is not removed. Therefore, we are using equation 1. Find out the value of a is y upon cos x plus 3 and put in 2. Get dy by dx is equal to minus y upon cos x plus 3 sin x plus 3. Sin upon cos is tan. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus y tan x plus 3. Therefore, differential equation is dy by dx plus y tan x. Now we see solution of differential equation. Solution of differential equation is the relation between the variable not involving the term of dy by dx. Y is equal to a cos x minus b sin x is the solution of the differential equation dy by dx y is equal to 0. There are two types of solution of the differential: general solution, or it is called as complete, or secondly is particular solution. And to find general solution of the differential equation is, for example, y is equal to a cos x minus b sin x is the general solution of the differential y by dx2 plus. But y is equal to minus b sin x is also solution differential equation, but it is not complete solution because y is equal to minus b sin x contain only one arbitrary constant, and the order of the differential equation is 2. Y is equal to a cos x minus b sin x is complete solution or general solution of this differential equation d2y by dx2 plus y is equal to. Now to find the value of a and b, after finding this value of a and b, we will get particular solution of the equation y is equal to 3 cos x minus 2 sin x is particular y by dx2 plus y is equal to. First order differential equation is of the form dy by dx is equal to f of xy. There are different methods used to solve this first order differential equation. Have a look. Y dash is equal to f of xy. Y dash is nothing but dy by dx. It is the first order differential equation. So the differential equation is linear or non-linear. If it is non-linear, then variable separable form, homogeneous form, or exact form. Now today we are going to learn solution to find the solution of differential equation y dash is equal to y by using variable separable. The first order differential equation dy by dx equal to f of xy is said to be variable separable if it is a product of two functions h of x and of y. Now to separate the variable, the term of y along with dy one side and the term of x along with dx is on the other side, because we cannot integrate x with respect to y, also cannot integrate y with respect to x, so we have to separate the term y along with dy one side, x along with dx on the other side. After separating and integrating, we'll get general solution of the differential equation involving the arbitrary constant. By using small condition or given condition, you can find the value of constant c. We get particular solution of the differential equation dy by dx is equal to of xy. Now we are going to solve the differential equation using variable separable method from exercise 6.3. First example is dy by dx is equal to y square and 1 plus x square. We'll take this dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y square upon 1 plus x square. On rearranging the term of x along with dx one side and the term of y along with dy on the side, variable gets separated, and integrating on the side by using standard formula, integration of 1 upon 1 y square dy is tan inverse y, and integration of 1 upon 1 is tan inverse of x plus constant of integration is your general solution of the given differential. Example is log of dy by dx is equal to 2x plus dy. Consider log of dy by dx is equal to 2x plus. By using the formula of logarithm, when the base is not given, we consider the base as e, natural logarithm. Log of y to the base x is equal to a, then y is equal to a raised to this y, keep as it is. Base goes to this side and RHS becomes power of the base. By using this formula, we'll simplify this. Therefore, log of dy by dx 2x plus 3y can be written as dy by dx is equal to e raised to 2x plus dy. Then laws of indices, e raised to 2x plus 3y can be written as e raised to 2x into e raised to dy. On reshuffling the term of y along with dy one side and the term of x along the dx on the other side, you will get variable easily separated. For separating the variable, integrating on both sides, we will get 1 upon e raised to 3y dy can be written as integration of e raised to minus 3y dy equal to integration of e raised to 2x dx. Now you can easily integrate it. Integration of e raised to x is e raised to x upon coefficient of x, like that. Integration of e raised to minus 3y dy equal to e raised to minus 3y upon minus 3, and integration of e raised to 2x is x upon 2 plus constant of. Now on simplifying, you will get 2 e raised to minus 3y plus 3 e raised to 2x plus c. It is solution, general solution of the given differentiation. Next example, y minus x dy by dx is equal to 0. Let y minus x dy by dx is equal. So this minus x dy by dx transformed to RHS will get y is equal to x dy by dx. Now rearranging the term of x along dx and y with along dy on the other side, you will get 1 upon x dx is equal to 1 upon y. Variables are separated. On integrating both sides, use standard formula, integration of x dx log of x, and integration of 1 upon y dy is log of y. Take constant of integration is log of c. For simplicity, will take log of c. Now log a plus log b is log a into b. In the formula, log of mod of x is equal to log of cy. Taking an anti-log on both sides, you will get x is equal to general solution of given differential equation. Next example is sec square x into tan y dx plus sec square y into tan x dy is equal to 0. Now, for separating the variable, we'll transfer this term plus sec square y tan x dy on the right side. We'll get x sec square x tan y dx is equal to minus x square y tan x y. On separating the term of x along with dx one side and term of y along y on the other side, you will get sec square x tan x dx is equal to minus sec square y tan y dy. Variables are separated. So on integrating both sides, get integration of sec square x tan x dx is equal to minus integration of sec square y tan y dy. Now by using standard formula, integration of f dash of x upon f of x is equal to log of mod of f of x. Means when the function is on the denominator and its derivative present on the numerator, then its integration is log of mod of that function. So using this, derivative of tan x is sec square x and derivative of tan y is sec square y. So therefore we get integration of this quantity is log of mod of tan x is equal to minus as it is log of mod of tan y. For simplicity, we'll take constant of integration log of mod of this minus log of tan y transferred to LHS, you get log of tan x plus tan y is log of c. Now log a plus log b is equal to log a into b. Log of tan x plus log of tan y is equal to log of tan x into tan y is equal to log. Taking anti-log on both sides, you will get tan x into tan y to c is the general solution here. Next example, similar as previous one, cos x cos y dy minus sin x sin y dx is equal to 0. For separating the variable, we transfer this minus sin x sin y dx on the right side. Get cos x cos y dy is sin x sin y dx. Now the term of x along dx on the one side and term of y along dy on the other side. Reshuffling the terms will get cos y upon sin y dy is sin x upon cos x. You can make cos y sin y as cot y, sin x cos x as tan x. Variables are separated on integrating on both sides. So we'll take cos y upon sin y dy equal to sin x upon cos x dx. For simplicity or for use of standard formula, will derivative of sin y is cos y here with respect to y. Derivative of sin x is minus sin x is here. Minus sign is not there, so we adjust minus sign. Minus of minus sin x upon cos x. Using standard formula, f dash of x upon f of x as log of mod of f of x. Therefore, integration of cos y upon sin y dy is equal to log of mod of sin y is equal to minus sin, keep as it is. Integration of minus sin x upon cos x minus log of cos of x plus log of c. This constant of integration added log of c for simplicity equation. Now minus log of cos x transferred to LHS, you will get log of sin y plus log of cos x. Log a plus log b is log a into b. You will get log of sin y into x is equal. By taking anti-log on both sides, you get sin y into cos. General solution. Next example is y cube dy by dx is equal to x square dy by. There are two terms of dy by dx. Transfer this minus dy by dx on the right hand side, you will get y cube is equal to x square dy by dx plus dy by dx. Then dy by dx common, so you will get x square plus 1 dy by. Now we will separating the terms of y along with dy and terms of x along with dx. Have 1 upon 1 plus x square dx is equal to y cube. Variables are separated. On integrating both sides, you will get integration of 1 upon 1 plus dx is equal to integration of 1 upon y cube can be written as y raised to minus 3 dy. In standard formula, x square dx is equal to tan inverse x, and integration of y raised to minus 3 is y raised to minus 2 upon minus 2 plus. So we have 2 tan inverse x is equal to minus 1 upon y raised to minus 2 denominator y raised to 2 plus constant. On simplifying, you will get answer 2y square tan inverse x plus 1 y square is your general solution of the. The next example is all the differential equation cos square y upon x dy plus cos square x y dx is equal to 0. So consider the equation. On simplifying, you will get y cos square y dy plus x cos square x, term of y along with dy and term of x along with dx. Variables are separated, but before integrating, we will simplify this cos square y because we cannot find easily the y. You have to use the formula cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta upon 2. So therefore, cos square y can be written as 1 plus cos 2y upon 2, and cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x upon 1. Multiplying by 2, get y plus y cos 2y dy x plus x cos 2x dx is equal to. Now integrating on both sides, splitting the integration y plus y cos 2y dy plus integration of x plus x cos 2x dx. Integration of y cos y dy plus integration of y cos 2y dy plus integration of x dx plus integration of x cos 2x equal to c1. C1 is the constant of integration, that is arbitrary constant. You can easily find integration of y and easily find integration of x dx, but here y into cos 2y and x into cos 2x are there. Product rule, using product rule of integration and using light rule, y algebraic function, cos 2y is trigonometric function, so algebraic function first and trigonometric function next. So using that sequence, y cos 2y integrating this way using product rule, integration of y dy is y square upon 2. So use the product rule, first function keep as it is, y keep as it is, integration of cos 2y dy minus integration of cos 2y dy into dy of y into dy. Similarly, integration of x dx is x square by 2, and using product rule, integration of x cos 2x is x keep as it is, integration of cos 2x into dx minus integration of x dx into dx into y square by 2 keep as it is, integration of cos 2y is sin 2y upon 2 minus integration of cos 2y is again sin 2y upon 2, and derivative of y with respect to y is 1, derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Integration of cos 2x is sin 2x upon 2, cos 2x is sin 2x upon 2. Therefore, we get y square upon 2 plus this x square upon 2 plus y sin 2y upon 2. Integration of sin 2y is minus cos 2y upon 2. Therefore, integration of sin 2y upon 2 minus cos 2y upon 4. 2 is already there, and integration of sin 2y is cos 2y upon 2. 4. Similarly, integration of sin 2x upon 2 minus cos 2x upon 4. So we get y square upon 2 plus x square upon 2 plus y sin 2y minus minus become plus, this minus minus plus, you'll get 2 into x square plus y square plus 2 into x sin 2x plus y sin 2y plus cos 2x plus y equal to by multiplying 4 and taking common from these two terms. Now instead of this 4 c1, c1 is constant and 4 is also constant. Constant is again one constant. So get the solution of the given differential equation as 2 into x square plus y square plus 2 into x sin 2x plus y sin 2y plus cos 2x plus y is equal to. Now we'll see second kind of examples. For each of the following differential equation, find particular solution by satisfy the given condition. To find particular solution, firstly we have to find a general solution. Then by substituting given values, we'll find the arbitrary constant present in the equation. You get particular solution. For that, first example is 3 e raised to x tan y dx plus 1 plus e raised to x square y dy is equal to 0 when x is equal to y is equal to pi. Find a particular solution. We'll keep this condition, use that condition later after finding the general solution of the one differential. For that, we'll take the equation as is. Again, same way, for a separate variable, transfer this plus term. Right hand side, we will get 3 e raised to x into tan y dx is equal to minus 1 plus e raised to x sec square y. Term of x along with dx and term of y along with y separated on each side, we get 3 e raised to x upon 1 plus e dx is equal to minus sec square y upon tan y dy. Now integrating both side, variable gets separated. In both side, we get integration of t e raised to x upon 1 plus e raised to x is minus integration y upon tan y dy. Here again, derivative of 1 plus e raised to x is e raised to x, and derivative of tan y with respect to y is x y. The derivative of denominator present in the numerator on the both sides. So using standard formula, integration of dash of x log of mod of x, we have integration of this is t is constant log of 1 plus e to x minus keep as it is log of tan y, or take constant of integration as log c. T log 1 plus x can be written as log 1 plus x raised to cube minus tan y transport to the side plus log tan y is equal to log a into log b. First, you transfer this 3 on the power of 1 plus e raised to x using of logarithm. A m log a is equal to log a raised to m. 3 log 1 plus e raised to m log of 1 plus x raised to q. Then use log a plus log a into b. Get log of 1 plus x bracket tan y is equal. Taking anti-log on both sides, you will get 1 plus e raised to x bracket cube into tan y is equal to is general solution of the given difference. Now we'll take x is equal to 0 and y is equal to pi in the equation 1. By putting this value, we have 1 plus e raised to 0, x is 0, bracket cube, tan pi, tan pi is 0. So e raised to 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, cube into 0 is 0, therefore value of c is, put this value c in the equation 1, you will get 1 plus x 1 plus e raised to x bracket cube into tan y is your particular equation. 1 represent general solution of the differential equation, and this represent the particular solution. We'll see again one more example. So x minus y square x dx minus y plus square y dy is equal to 0 when x is equal to y is equal to 0. Now consider the equation. For simplicity, again transfer the negative term to the right hand side, so we'll take out x common. So x into 1 plus y square dx, y common from this, y into 1 plus x square. Now the term of x along with dx and the term of y along with dy separated. So variables are separated. On integrating both sides, we'll get x integration of x upon plus x square dx is equal to integration of y upon 1 plus y square. For convert it into the standard formula, multiply 2 on the both side, we'll get 2x upon 1 plus x square, here 2y upon 1 minus y square, because derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x and derivative of 1 minus y square minus 2y. Add this minus sign here, minus of minus. Now derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x present on the numerator. Derivative of denominator 1 minus y square as minus 2y. In this formula, f dash integration of f dash of x. Therefore, get log of plus x square is minus log of 1 minus y. Minus comes at left hand side becomes plus. So log of 1 square plus log minus y square is equal to log of c. So constant of integration log c for log a into log b, log a into b. Therefore, using this formula, so log of 1 plus x square plus log of 1 minus y square can be written as log 1 plus x square into 1 minus y square. Taking anti-log on both sides, you will plus x square into 1 minus y square is equal to c. This is your general solution. Now to find a particular solution, we'll use the given condition x and y is equal to 0. So put x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0 in equation 1. We'll get 1 plus 2 square into minus 0. Value of c is 5. That value in equation 1. The particular solution as 1 plus x 5. Next example is y into 1 plus log x dx by dy minus x log x is equal to 0. Given condition that y is equal to e square whenever x is equal to, when x is e, y become. For that we'll find first the general solution of the given differential equation. Transfer x log x on the right side, so you'll get y into log x dy by dy is equal to x log x. On simplifying, you'll get 1 plus log x upon x log x dx is equal to 1 by dy. Variable gets separated, the terms of x towards x and y towards y. On integrating both sides, we'll get integration of 1 plus log x upon x log x dx is equal to integration of 1 by dy. Here, derivative of x log x, in u into v rule, have x as it is, derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x as it is, derivative of x is 1. The derivative of x log x is 1 plus log x, and therefore we'll use this formula f dash of x upon f of x because of denominator, and integrating we get log of x log x is equal to integration of 1 upon y is log y, and we'll take arbitrary constant as log c. So log of x log x is equal to log y into log y plus log c, log a into b log ab. In this formula we will get, therefore taking an anti-log on both sides, we get x log x is equal to dy. General solution. Now using this small condition, we will find the value of arbitrary constant c, being x is equal to and y is equal to e square in equation 1. We get c is equal to, in that value c is equal to 1 upon e 1, we will get x log x is, therefore y is equal to e into log x, particular solution given. Next example is e raised to y plus 1 cos x plus e raised to y sin x by dx is equal to, when x is equal to pi by 6, y. The differential equation as, so for simplicity transport this term to the right hand side and rearranging the term of x towards dx and terms of y towards y, will have cos x upon sin x dx equal to minus e raised to y upon e raised to y plus 1. Variables get separated. On integrating both sides, we get integration of sin x dx equal to minus integration y plus 1. Here again, derivative of sin x is cos x raised on the numerator, and derivative of e raised to y plus y is e raised to y present on the numerator minus sign take out. Using the standard formula f dash of x log of mod of f of x, we have log of sin of x is equal to minus sin as it is log of e raised to y plus 1 plus log of minus log e raised to y e raised to y log a plus into b. Therefore, log of sin x into e raised to y plus 2. Taking on antilog on both sides, you will get sin x into y plus 1 is general solution of the given differential equation. Now you will use the condition x is pi by 6 and y is equal to 0. X is equal to pi by 6 and y is equal to 0 in equation 1. Let c is equal to 1. C is equal to 1. Put equation 1. You will get sin x into e raised to y plus 1 is 1. The particular solution. Now we'll see next kind of example. Reduce the following differential equation variable separable and hence solve. Now generally variables are not easily separated. By little substitution we have variables are easily separated. For example, dy by dx is equal to cos x plus y. So x and y are not easily separated here. Geometric function cos of x plus y. So we'll do the substitution. Is that put x plus y as u or v. Another variable other than x and y. By putting x plus y is equal to v, this on differentiating would x, derivative of x is 1, derivative of y with respect to y by dx, derivative of v with respect to d by dx. Now 1 plus dy by dx is equal to, therefore dy by dx is equal to 1 minus dv by dx minus. So therefore instead of this dy by dx, put dv by dx minus 1 and of x plus y put v. So now dv by dx minus 1 is minus sign minus 1 transfer to right hand side, so you will get by dx is equal to 1 plus, you know that 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. Therefore 1 plus cos phi can be written as 2 cos square p by 2. Now variable, when separating the variable, the term of v along dv and x on the other side have 1 plus cos square by 2 dv is equal to 2 dx. Variables are separated. On integrating both sides, 1 upon cos square x square v by 2 dv. 2 is constant integration of dx. So we know that using standard formula, integration of sec x is tan x. Therefore integration of sec square v by 2 is tan v by 2 upon by 2. Coefficient of by 2. So the coefficient of now 2 constant integration of dx x. One is arbitrary constant add. So now transfer these two, multiplying by 1 by 2 both sides. So this 1 by 2 and this 1 by 2 get cancelled. You will get tan v by 2 is equal to x plus c1 by 2. c1 by 2, c1 is constant, c1 upon 2 constant, that constant as c. Therefore tan v by 2 is equal to, put the value of v as x plus y. We have tan of x plus y upon, is your general solution. Where variables are not easily separated, by doing some substitution variables are easily separated, and after separating variable will integrating and finding general solution. The next example is x minus y bracket square dy by dx is equal to a square. Here also x minus y bracket square is not easily separated the term of and y. So we have to do the sum substitution, that is put x minus y as v on differentiating it with respect to x, derivative of x is 1 and derivative of y is dy by dx, with derivative of v is dv by dx with respect to x. So therefore dy by dx is equal to 1 minus dv by dx. Of dy by dx as 1 minus dv by dx instead of x minus y as v. Therefore v square into 1 minus dv by dx is a square. Multiplying by v square transfer to this side, we get 1 minus dv by dx is equal to v square. Minus dv by dx transfer to this side and square transfer to LHS. We have dv by dx is equal to 1 minus a square. On simplifying this, we'll dv by dx is equal to v minus a square upon v square. Now separating the variable v along with dv and x along with x dx, we have v square upon v square minus a square is equal to, variables are separated, we can integrate side. We have two, this is non-integrable part. This non-integrable part converted to the integrable will do the some adjustment, that is minus a square plus a square and denominator gets separated. We have v square minus a square upon v square minus a square become 1 and plus a square is a constant, a square upon v square minus a square takes 8, 1 upon 1 v square minus a square dv. Now integration of 1 dv is v plus a square constant. So using standard formula that 1 upon x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 upon 2a log of mod minus a upon. Using this formula, you can integrate this equation, integration minus a square as integration of 1 dv is v plus a square is constant. It is 1 upon 2a log of v minus a upon v plus a is equal to x plus c, constant of integration. Therefore a square and a get cancelled. This plus instead of v we put x minus y. So v is equal to x minus y plus a square upon a get cancels, a into 1 by 2 log of x minus y minus a on x minus y plus x, and this x get cancelled. On reshuffling the terms, we'll get a log x minus y minus a upon x minus y plus a is equal to y plus c. General solution of. Now next example is x plus y dy by dx is equal to sec x square plus y square. Here again x square plus y square, this term cannot be separated. We'll do the some substitution. X square plus y square as a v, on differentiating with respect to x, we will get derivative of x plus derivative of y square is 2y dy by dx d by dx. So take outside 2 common, or dividing by 2 each term, y dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2. Here x plus y dy by dx is already here, x plus y dy by dx, that will by 2 d by dx. Sec x square plus y square of that v. Therefore this equation becomes 1 by 2 dv by dx is equal to sec v. Now on disciplining the terms of v towards dv and terms of x towards x dx, have 1 upon sec v dv is 2 dx. Variables are separated. On integrating is cos v dv and 2 is constant of outside, so integration of dx. Therefore integration of cos is sin v and integration of the value of c as x square plus y square. Sin x square plus y square is equal to 2x. The solution given difference. Next example, 2x minus 2y plus 3 dx minus x minus y plus y is equal to. Now we'll write when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. The initial condition 1 for general solution. First, we are going to see find the general solution of differential equation. Write this as dy by dx is equal to take outside common from this term simplicity. While taking 2 common, you have 2 into x minus y plus 1 plus 1. After multiplying these two inside the bracket, 2x minus 2y plus 2 plus 1 becomes plus 3. And adjustment dy by dx becomes 2 into x minus y, where variables are not easily separated. The small substitution that x minus y plus as v, on differentiating will get derivative of x, derivative of minus y is minus of 1 is 0, and derivative of v with respect to dx. Now dy by dx is equal to 1 minus by dx. Value here 2 into x minus y plus 1 v plus 1. Disabling the terms, will get d by dx is equal to 1 minus 2, and you will get minus v plus 1 of v by dx. Though separating the term of v towards dv and the term dx, we have v upon v plus dv is equal to minus. Variables are separated, we can integrating both sides. For integrating, will simplify it. For integration, v plus 1 minus 1, adjustment is there. V plus 1 upon, separating the denominator, v plus 1 upon v plus 1 becomes 1 minus 1 upon v plus 1, and then integrating, we have integration of 1 dv minus integration 1 v plus 1, or it is dv is equal to integration minus dx. Integration of 1 dv is v, integration minus 1 upon v log of v plus, and integration of minus dx minus x plus of value of v as x minus y plus, get x minus y plus 1 minus log of x minus y plus equal to minus x transfer to this side, x 2x 2x minus y plus 1 minus log of x minus y 1 plus equal to constant of general solution of the given. Now we'll put initial condition x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. General solution 1, get c is equal to 0, and put that value c is equal to 0, get 2x minus y plus 1 minus log of x minus y plus 2, 0 is the particular solution given difference. We'll summarize the chapter or topic. The differential equation is the relation between function and its derivative. Represent physical quantity and derivative represent its rate of change. From the function, to find the differential equation, with differentiating function, we'll get differential equation, and from differential equation to find the function, we'll integrate differential, get function solution the differential equation, and first order differential equation presented as dy. So first order differential equation is said to be variable separable if it is product of the function of y. So with the help of previous example, you solve some example as Solve the following differential equation. Dy by dx is equal to minus k. Second, dy by dx is equal to x into under root of 25 minus x square. 2 e raised to x plus 2 by dx minus 3 dy is equal to dy by dx is equal to e raised to x y plus x raised to y. Using variable separable method. Second kind, find particular solution. Solve the differential equation by variable separable method. Dy by dx is equal to e raised to 2 by cos x. Initial condition is pi by 6. Y is equal to 0. Find the particular solution. Find general solution using variable separable. You can easily separate the variable out. Second example is y minus 1 on y plus 1 plus x minus 1 upon dy by dx is equal to when x is equal to y is equal to is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to. Next example is x plus y by dx minus 1 is to y minus y when x is equal to 1 y is equal to 0. Cos dy by dx is equal to I square when y of 0 is equal to 2, that is when x is equal to 0 y is equal to 2. Now variables are not easily separated. That kind of example are there. Cos of x minus 2y is equal to 1 minus 2 y by dx. Second example is 1 plus dy by dx is equal to cos x plus y. Third example, dy by dx is equal to 4x plus y plus 1 bracket square. For such kind of example, variable are not easily separated. We have done. What is the substitution for this? Put x minus 2y is equal to. For this example, y is equal to. For third example, x plus y plus is equal to b, and find easily general. Hope you get all idea about how to find solution, general solution and particular solution of differential equation using variable separable method. Thank you.